Hola amigos, welcome back to Spanish for Newbies. Today we're diving into something super fun and super useful, reading and writing in Spanish. If you've ever wanted to say, I read a book or I write a letter in Spanish, this is your lesson. And trust me, it's way easier than you think. By the end of this video, you'll be reading and writing simple Spanish sentences like a pro. So grab your curiosity and let's jump right in to discover how simple Spanish reading and writing can be.
6.
6.
6.
Reading and writing.
Leer y escribir.
Leer y escribir.
I read.
Yo leo.
Yo leo.
I read a letter.
Yo leo una letra.
Yo leo una letra.
I read a word.
Yo leo una palabra.
Yo leo una palabra.
I read a sentence.
Yo leo una frase.
Yo leo una frase.
I read a letter.
Yo leo una carta.
Yo leo una carta.
I read a book.
Yo leo un libro.
Yo leo un libro.
I read.
Yo leo.
Yo leo.
You read.
Tú lees.
Tú lees.
He reads.
Él lee.
Él lee.
I write.
Yo escribo.
Yo escribo.
I write a letter.
Yo escribo una letra.
Yo escribo una letra.
I write a word.
Yo escribo una palabra.
Yo escribo una palabra.
I write a sentence.
Yo escribo una frase.
Yo escribo una frase.
I write a letter.
Yo escribo una carta.
Yo escribo una carta.
I write a book.
Yo escribo un libro.
Yo escribo un libro.
I write.
Yo escribo.
Yo escribo.
You write.
Tú escribes.
Tú escribes.
He writes.
Él escribe.
Él escribe.
Excelente trabajo, amigos. You just practiced reading and writing in Spanish, and see how simple it is? From yo leo un libro to yo escribo una carta, you're already building real Spanish skills step by step. If you had fun today, share this video with a friend who also wants to learn. And if you want to take your Spanish to the next level with over 400 audio lessons, check out my course at SpanishForNewbies.com. It's the fastest and most fun way to learn Spanish by listening. All right, amigos, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, every word you read and write brings you closer to speaking Spanish with confidence. Hasta la próxima!